park behind though, like on the next car behind. The first two, yeah. I was trying to see if you could come be able to park right here.
Okay. Sweating in the club, gonna be dirty. I'm about to walk in the club.
Yeah, they're coming.
It's light right now, but
They're coming.
Somebody send me the low. Pull up the Cuba Cabana. First, I'ma stop in Atlanta. See my little dirty.
Where you know Hayes from? Where you know Hayes from? Larry. Yeah, Larry. Larry. What you doing? What you doing to me? What you doing to me?
Not yet, man. Ain't ready to come out yet.
What you doing to me, my man?
Pat made me bring it out for a quick second. I ain't ready yet.
Man, look.
I gotta do the inside and do a little more to it. It ain't ready.
Jocking on them haters, man. When I do that, soldier boy, I need to live that, crack that thing now. I'm jocking on you. And if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on you. Catch me at your local party, yes, I crack it every day. Haters get mad, cause I got me some bad money. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it, why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy, that Superman, that why me crack that soldier, why me you? Crack that soldier, why me
How you guys doing?
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for coming to Big Kev's 4th annual birthday car show. I'm gonna give him an opportunity just to welcome y'all. If you've already registered and paid, judging will start at about 5 o'clock. I'm doing a raffle. Whatever I collect, I keep half, you keep half. We appreciate y'all for coming out.
Hey everybody, I just want to thank everybody for coming out and enjoying yourself and supporting me. This is the 4th annual car show, Big Kev's birthday. Like I say, enjoy yourself and have fun.
Hey Jill, you know the whole sugar daddy. If you trigger, they tell them girls, see, you can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, sex on days, control no ice. We can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Baby, I can treat you so special, so nice. Yeah, so legit for you tonight, baby. You can go wherever you like. I said you can go wherever you like. Anytime you want to, pick up the telephone. You know I ain't nothing to drop a couple stacks on you. The more you can get it, my dear. $5 million home drop business, I swear. Yeah, I want your body, need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it, go get it. I'm about to joke a bit quiet. Stacks on me, control no ice. We can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Baby, I can treat you so special, so nice. Yeah, so legit for you tonight, baby. You can go wherever you like. I said you can go wherever you like.
I know they love me and Milwaukee, that's a fact. Got them won 2 elections in the streets back to back. All I know is rap from the heart and keeping it loyal. Minding my business and keeping the 40. I crashed the party, man, I really set this bitch out. If the police question me, man, I will not talk. If a pussy play with me, then he will see talk. Like I don't let him real with it, nigga, they got it thought. All I know is
street too, so like all they cars.
Big Kev Annual Car Show, 4th Annual Classic Car and Bike Show. We're so glad that you came, and we hope to see you every year, as long as we're willing. Out here, I'm so sorry, but this some bitch car. Yeah. Come on, pull up a little bit more. Y'all give it up for this 1967 Cadillac. Now remember, once we get all of the first place winners lined up, I need y'all to help me select the People's Choice. So start getting your winners in mind. You just by applause. You gotta vote by applause, okay? All right. Y'all clear the aisle for me, clear the aisle. The next category is gonna be the best automobile.
What?
Yeah. All right. So the best O. Okay. Y'all give it up. Have y'all seen these beautiful trophies? Ain't nobody in the city got down like these. I'm here to represent y'all for that stuff. Yeah. I was talking about the cars. Big Kev's 4th Annual Classic Car and Bike Show. Make sure y'all get your shit right next summer, so y'all can line up too to be a part of the People's Choice. All right. Get him in his trophy. Y'all give it up for him. Give it up. Give it up. Thank you.
So guys, what we doing here, we got all the cars lit up, lined up, and what they're gonna do is whoever got the best, the cleanest car, they're gonna applaud, and they get to win the People's Choice. So all of these cars lined up here is People's Choice.
Oh, okay. I drove one up here, but I just came, man.
I can't help my man won twice, but he had the best Chevy.
Oh yeah, yeah. He needed. He spent the most money.
He's got the best. He's got the best to show. So.
He the one that was doing the burning rubber back there a little bit ago.
Yeah, that was him.
He knew he was the winner. Yeah, he knew it. All right, the motorcycle's still back here. The motorcycle's still out here? It's a 1999 Harley Davidson, first place.
This baby is clean though. This baby is clean.
Get him in. You can pull up right here wherever you want to. The world is yours.
Might
You
take
got that Harley.
People's
You can do
Choice.
what you want to do. Get him in his trophy.
Oh, excuse me, bro.
Registration 39, I know you're pulling his around.
I feel you. On mine? Oh, yeah?
All right, so here, hey, listen. We don't have a winner for the 80s and the 90s best place. So this is a challenge for all you players out here. Next year, make sure there's an 80s and 90s.
It could be. I didn't get to them. Let me go look now.
It's too late. Yeah, it's too late. Too late. It's too late.
Huh?
Yeah, okay. I did 70s.
89?
All right.
It's an 89? 89. What all you got? Hold on real quick.
What we gonna do?
89.
We gonna do the people's choice now?
He said he have 89. So he can pull around.
Why they filled out?
No, I didn't get, it was hectic trying to figure this all out. So, hey.
I let them know. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. It's a beautiful car you have. Thank you so much for coming. You have a wonderful day.
Okay, happy birthday, Big Kev.
Not just.
See, a lot of you guys wasn't by your cars, so I couldn't walk around them. You gotta stay by the car sometime. You know.
I'm trying to find it for you.
Hey, we thought that's what the number was for.
What's that? He's gonna. The 89 is. Well, where is it? The 80s? The 80s? Yeah, he's got a Chevy. He's pulling off.
And the best original is over here.
Did he have a registration
get
number? If he didn't have a registration number, we're not judging him. He don't get a trophy.
Okay, we'll see. When he pull up, if he don't have one, we'll have him move out. But I don't know.
Well, if he didn't have no number.
Huh?
He don't get there's no number, so they judged him.
I don't
Probably
know.
Didn't have the number.
No, I
don't know.
No, they wasn't by their car.
Oh, okay.
See, if I couldn't find nobody at their car, I couldn't look at it. So when he pull up, if he's the only one, he just get it.
Which car was it? Where I'm trying to figure out.
He's pulling up. He's got 89.
We got an 80s classic.
A box Chevy or something, or?
Which one is the judge?
Right here, the white car that's pulling out.
The Chevy, the box Chevy.
Yeah,
Back there?
right here, right next to the Tahoe.
Oh, okay, the one that's next to the Tahoe.
I already told them.
Oh, okay.
And then these other people, if they wasn't by their car, I couldn't, you know.
No,
I needed to talk to him.
I didn't have to see the car, but yeah, he did.
All right, we're about to do the people's choice.
Oh, you're gonna be in trouble.
So I'm gonna start at the top of the line, y'all. I'm gonna start at the top of the line, y'all.
I know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, we call it diamond.
Okay.
Take both down.
That's what one that ain't been done yet. That was gonna be done anyway.
Y'all ready to help me out?
1917 Monte Carlo.
By round of applause. By round of applause. Give it up. Mine's going up. Can you hear me, please? Have the people's choice. I need more help. I need more help. I need more help.
Hey, y'all come clap for
Yeah,
Terry.
y'all gotta come up.
Come clap.
I need your attention. The people's choice. The first 39 is the 32. 1973 Monte Carlo. By round of applause. Show your love.
think it's best is the cleanest.
All right. I don't know, y'all. I ain't really.
What year is this?
Y'all saying me low.
60, just say Riviera.
Yeah, Buick Riviera.
Buick Riviera.
All right. We got ready back there.
Which one you guys think? Buick Riviera.
1970 Riviera. The green. Then we got the Spider-Man car. We got the black and pink Corvette. By round of applause, show your love. If you feel like this is your favorite, the Corvette, the black and pink Corvette. By round of applause, let's go. Okay, y'all wasn't really feeling that. All right, we got another one, the baby blue, 1967, Custom Veer. Yeah! Now that's my favorite, y'all. This was my favorite. Okay. All right. We getting a little closer. We almost there. We got 3 more left, y'all. What y'all got it, y'all? All right. The first place Cutlass. 442. Baby blue. 1970. A round of applause. Show your love. I think we got a winner. We're going to see how we feel with these last two.
What you think, Kimmy? Which one you like?
All right. Show your love for the 1970 Grand Prix. No.
Ain't no crowd down there.
Some more applause at least. All right.
Got one more.
And then that last one, where's the back?
Yeah, that nose is ugly. You did it.
Oh yeah, my uncle had one of them.
Yeah, the nose.
My uncle had one of
I
them.
did it right there.
Right away.
How you doing, man? Where that caddy at?
Oh, I decided to bring the 205 today.
The what?
Decided to bring the 205 today.
Oh, okay. Oh, that motorcycle. Okay.
I say, what's that?
Is it this baby blue? The baby blue one? Yep. All right. Win the people's choice. This is beautiful. Yep. Whose car was this?
The lady. Yeah.
All right, well, you won. People's choice. Yeah. Yay. Kim, I need the People's Choice Award down here. All right, so what we about to do, everybody go right out, because we still got second place. It ain't over till it's over. We still got some winners on this motherfucking lot.
Do y'all got a sticker, one of those stickers in the window?
Yeah.
So if your car is at the front of the line, let's go and at least pull out. Let's pull out.
They didn't get one for the Chevy. They didn't get one for the 80s.
The first person on the lot, you didn't call him. That was correct.
The 80s.
Oh, y'all getting the best of the show already?
That's what she just did. That's what,
She did People's Choice, right? People's Choice, not Best of Show.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So you want them to pull out? Tell them to come up and move their cars out.
All right, y'all. We gonna do the best of show. We still at second place in the best of show, and we got a couple of other categories too. All right. All right. So second place, female. And we're not gonna pull our cars out. I just need y'all to come up and get your trophies, okay? So second place, just come up and get your trophy. It's registration number 60.
It's one of y'all. It's one of y'all.
We're so glad. Listen, this whole crew in this pink shirt, they all came and supported. We appreciate y'all.
And next year, we will make sure we got a truck category. They didn't have a truck category. Okay? So I did the best I could.
Ya sabemos dónde está la carnita. Ya sabemos a dónde vamos, a la carnita asada.
All right, all right.
What's the name?
Goldie.
That Buicks, what they with the rodeo shit that they got going on tonight.
Okay. Thank you. Y'all give it up. Y'all give it up. Thank you. Appreciate you. Y'all show them some love. All right. Let's see who got the best deuce in the quarter. All right. The best deuce in the quarter.
See, I gave that to him.
Registration 50.
Yeah, no, that motherfucking nice. But now I see, I know
But
what
it's
you're
not
saying.
clean as this car.
Yeah, no, I know what you're saying.
See what I'm saying?
Deuce in the quarter, yeah. Yeah, Money. Money also drove up from Indiana.
Money!
Okay, Money. Yeah, thank you for coming. Y'all give it up. It's the one right here, right in the middle. Right in the middle. Yeah, right here.
I'm looking for you.
Very nice.
Oh, he got money right here.
There he
We
is.
got it already.
Hey, he already knew. He already knew what time it was.
All right, the best OG. 1977 Lincoln Continental, the best OG out here. 1977 Lincoln Continental.
Right here. Right here.
You right here? OG said, I'm right here. Y'all give it up for the OG.
Yay! All right.
Y'all give it up for the OG.
A Lincoln nice.
All right. So what I'm gonna do is have y'all pull your cars out so we can clear the middle lane.
Ready for that
So if you're not near your vehicle, can you please get to your vehicle? And if you're at the front of the line, let's go.
It ain't tight.
right.
Appreciate that, man. This all started off with my wife 4 years ago. She wanted to do something different.
Oh yeah, she did it.
And it's been turning up and turning out every year, man. And I just thank everybody for coming, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all.
All right. All right.
You know I started with a deuce.
All right. Well, again, where the mic at? Again, y'all, I just want to thank everybody for showing up and showing out. And I done messed up, Bert. I done messed up, y'all. But I just want to thank everybody for coming out. And I'll see y'all next year. Thank y'all.